Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix ARK survival evolved game sound not working or crackling or distorted audio issue. So let's go through it. So the first method is to test sound quality. So for that you need to go to control panel, then click on hardware and sound, and after that click on sound option over here. Then select your speakers, right click on it, click on properties, then go to the advanced, and here you need to select 24-bit 48,000 Hertz and then click on apply and OK. If it's selected, you other format or sample rate and then click on apply and OK and check if this solution helps to fix the sound issue while playing the game. Next solution is to update audio driver. So for that, go to the search option over here, search for device manager. Now go below, expand this sound, video and game controller, select your audio, right click on it and click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will search for the best drivers installed on your PC and it will update it if required, and after that try to play the game and check if sound is working or not. Next is to uninstall device under audio. So for that again go to search option, search for device manager, then go below and expand sound, video and game controllers, select your audio driver and click on properties, then go to the driver option over here, and here you need to click on uninstall device. So after clicking on uninstall device, click on OK, and after that check if the sound problem is resolved or not. If not, next is to select the right audio settings. So for that you need to press Windows plus G, and after that click on audio option over here, and in the Windows default output make sure the sound bar is increased to 100%, and go below, and after that check system sounds or other recordings or sounds is set as 100 or not. So make sure you do this, and after that check if the sound issue is resolved or not. Next is to verify integrity of game files. So for that go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties, then click on installed files, and here you need to click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the game files, now check if the issue is resolved or not. Next is to troubleshoot audio device. So for that you need to go to the search option over here, search for settings, then click on system, then go below and click on troubleshoot, then click on other troubleshooters, and after you can see the audio and beside it is a run option. So simply click on run, and after that fill all the requirements, and after that try to launch the game and check if the sound issue is resolved or not. Next is to disable Windows Sonic or spatial sound. So for that go to the search option, search for control panel, then click on hardware and sound, then go to sound, and after that select your speakers, right click on it, click on properties, now click on spatial sound, and here you can see it is in off. You need to simply select Windows Sonic and after that click on apply and OK, or restart your system once and then try to launch the game and check if the sound issue is resolved or not. So these are few solutions that will surely help to fix sound not working or any kind of audio issues while playing the game. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.